Here we are again. She's in heat again. He goes so crazy. My dog is so crazy. Oh, there she is. And they're chilling here, like, she's mad. Oh, she's mean. My gosh! Dude. The females give off a scent, and that's when they know they're ready. He cannot be separated from her. Nope. Oh my god. He's going crazy for you, Miley. You want to go out there, Miley? The reason why he can bark so loud and he can't control it is because he's deaf. He's deaf. Hey! You little brat. Come here. Okay. I don't know why I'm knocking. He can't hear me. Oh my gosh. You're an insane dog. Okay. He's mating with her. Oh my gosh. Fine, I'll let you out. Come on. Come on, Miley. Fine, you can have her. Jeez. What a freaking spaz, see? Now he's licking her. Nasty dog. Oh, he's keeping her clean. Petey? And this little girl back here. Oh yeah, you guys haven't seen her yet. She's a good girl too. She likes to sit up here. Oh yeah, by the way, my phone's blue. Drop it. See how it blurs out that? Then it focuses. Blurs out the background, focuses on her. See, right there, it's blurry. Watch, it'll focus on my finger. I like that. She's a good girl. Very good. Now you can go back to your cage. She loves her cage. This guy's weird. He is so weird. He mates with it right here. I'm not gonna touch that. He loves his mirror. 24/7. He's sitting in front of it. Not right now. I've got a weird. Left his toys out. That's my console. Oh, that's the end of it. Please subscribe and like the videos. Turn on the bell. And that's going on. Nasty. Alright. Keep you updated if my dog has puppies. Bye.